Hello, a very good morning to all the class 4 children. I hope all are keeping fine with your parents. So, welcome back to our new session. Okay, now what do you see on the screen? Obviously, you can see a picture here, right? So, can you tell me some words that related with the picture? Okay, there's a kite, a girl, two birds flying high up in the sky, a big cloud, rainbow, a blue sky, a lot of trees are there, and different colors of flowers are also there. Okay, now can you make any sentences related with this picture? Okay, you can make a lot of sentences related with this picture, right? You can make a meaningful sentences. A girl is playing a kite in the lawn. There is a beautiful rainbow. Two birds are flying high up in the sky. A big cloud is there. The sky is clear and it's very beautiful. Okay, so there are a lot of trees behind the slope here. Okay, so these are the sentences that we are going to make, or you had already made the sentence, right? So putting all these sentences together to make a new paragraph. Okay, so as we have already learned how to make a paragraph, right? So we are going related with this picture. Today we are going to learn a picture composition here. Okay, so what do you mean by picture composition? Picture composition is nothing but a piece of writing about a particular topic or single topic or subject, you can say, based on a given picture or set of pictures. Okay, so picture here is an image. Composition means putting something together, like for example, putting all the sentences together to make a paragraph. It's a piece of writing, right? So it's called composition. So a picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture. So you have to be very careful in observing the picture, right? You have to look very carefully at the picture, and then you have to describe it in the form of story or composition having a meaningful sentences. Okay, so today we are going to do a picture composition. So you have to look at the picture very carefully, and then you have to describe it in the form of paragraph, okay, with meaningful sentences. So how do you write a picture composition? First, you have to be very careful in observing the picture, and then you have to note down some points or things that you have seen from the picture, and you have to make it order in logical. Okay, and then imagine the scene and then try to frame sentences. And while writing, you have to use capital letters at the beginning of the sentence and full stop at the end of the sentences, right? So you have to give a suitable title, okay, title at the top of the paragraph while writing. Okay, and also you have to write the paragraph very neat and clearly. Okay, so I have given a example here. You can see at this picture, the picture here, there are 6 children and one grandma is there. So grandma is sitting on the bench, and a girl, she is reading a storybook to that girl and a boy behind her. Okay, 2 children are climbing on the trunk of a tree there, and one boy is walking with the dog or puppy, and one girl is riding a scooty. Okay, So you have to be very careful in observing all this picture, and a bird is flying high and the sun is shining brightly, right? So I have given one paragraph example here. So the uh, caption or title here is Fun in the Park. This is a picture of a park. The sun is shining brightly. The bird is flying in the sky. An old woman and a girl are sitting on a bench. They are reading a book. A boy is standing behind them. Another boy is running with his dog. One more girl is taking a ride on her scooty. Two children are playing on the trunk of a tree. Everyone is enjoying in the park, right? Okay, so like this, you have to make it, okay? This is the composition or piece of writing here that I have shared for you. So you have to be very careful on in writing the caption title here. Okay, so I have one more picture here. So look at this picture carefully and then try to frame sentences and then try to make a paragraph related with this picture. So we are going to discuss it in the class group, okay?